Hey there, it's Megan with WTI. And does your skin look and feel like you've been hibernating for 4 months? That is my current situation. So I am really glad to have these Coco and Eve bronzing face drops. These face drops are really easy to use, and I love how I can use them in conjunction with my regular moisturizer. All it takes are 2 or 3 drops mixed in with my moisturizer, and it adds such a natural color to my face. I personally like to use it at night during my nighttime skincare routine. So when I wake up in the morning, I have that color that I'm looking for. The resulting color in the morning is really subtle and it just adds that little touch of sun-kissed glow. I find when I use these face drops that it actually helps to counteract my sensitivity redness on my cheeks, so I actually don't feel like I have to wear any face makeup at all. Even though we are still really far away from summertime where I live, I am really glad that I can get a little bit of glow on my face thanks to these face bronzing drops. And that's my point of view.